Hi, Lynn Desert Home Premier again. Today I wanted to talk to you, just give you a little bit of an overview about step one of the 5 steps of selling. So the 5 steps of selling, again, is break the ice, build rapport, present, handle objections, and close, close, close. So today we're going to talk just a real brief, give you a little teaser so that you come to the lunch and learn about breaking the ice and building rapport. Now, breaking the ice is pretty easy. All you got to do is find some kind of a quick little commonality just to make them feel instantly comfortable. So you don't spend a lot of time there. It could be as simple as, oh, I love your front door color, or oh, I see your kids play soccer, my kids played soccer, whatever it is that you can find pretty quickly to do that. So then you're going to move into rapport. Now, building rapport is a little bit more complex. There's a lot to it. It includes matching and mirroring, tonality, body language, all of those things. You want to kind of step into their shoes so that they feel instantly comfortable with you. It also involves understanding personality styles, because if you understand personality styles, then you know how to speak to this individual based on their personality style. So that's a real important one as well, and we'll work on that in the workshop. Then the other thing that you want to really keep in mind is to listen very closely to what they have to say. So ask questions so that they feel like you're paying attention and that you care about what they're saying, and you want to sincerely care. Don't just pretend. And listen carefully, ask questions that get them to think, because that's how you're going to get a deeper dive into what their needs are. And the more you understand what their needs are, the more you're going to build rapport with them, and they're going to recognize it pretty quickly. So that's sort of the overview of building rapport and breaking the ice, and that's the only teaser I'm going to give you today. You want to learn more, come to the workshop.